Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk to you about these plazas that are going up. This is the Hungway Mall in Portmore. Very nice mall, well done, built in a very populated part of Portmore. Those are actually beside it are three call center buildings. Now, I'm wondering, here's what I want to ask you guys. They built this massive mall, very nicely done. Obviously, spent a lot of money, but they don't have any brand name supermarkets in there, and they don't have any fast food restaurants in there. No, we have a theory on this channel that for a successful plaza in Jamaica, you need three things. It's been proven time and time again. You need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket. You need food stores like fast food restaurants, and you need to build it in a populated area. Now, Portmore is a populated area that is covered. However, you have so many other plazas in this area to compete against this plaza. So if they don't have a brand name supermarket and they don't have the fast food stores, I mean, will it do well? Well, guys, what do you think? Now, across the road from here is what's the name of that plaza? Sovereign, the Sovereign location in Portmore. And then across the road on the other side is the Fontana Plaza, and then beside that you have Price Mart. So you have a lot of plazas in this area. Now, if let's compare this plaza to Sovereign. Sovereign has progressive foods, a massive supermarket, well laid out, spacious. It's part of the progressive group, largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. They have Wendy's over at Sovereign. They have Domino's. They have Island Grill. They have Popeyes, and so many other food stores in the food court. So, how will this plaza compete against Sovereign? Guys, what do you think? Now, Price Mart, massive store. It's like a Costco or a BJ's in the US. And then the Fontana Pharmacy has a Starbucks in the plaza. So I'm wondering just how well this plaza will do, the Hungway Plaza. Guys, let me know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. And we've seen it so many times. Plazas built like the Millennium Mall in Maypen. No supermarket, not many fast food stores, and it was not built in a populated area. Is a mega. People don't like when I say that. We have to give the plaza more time to get going. They have recently added a supermarket, but only one fast food chain is there, and the plaza is just not in a populated area. It's on the outside of Maypen. So we'll see what happens with that one, but it's not doing well at all. Other plazas now do so well because they follow the simple formula: supermarket, fast food stores, and build it in a populated area. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.